Hey everyone, welcome to my home and welcome to my channel, A Ginger Can. My name is Brian and today, this is going. If you've watched any of my other videos, and I encourage you to, you know that I've got like no space on top of my stove, and that's been bothering me ever since we moved in. I got the new oven, and there's a video on that. I'll put a card up. And it came with a new, and I purposely bought it as an oven microwave combo because I wanted this gone. I want some space. I want a real hood that can move some air. This wasn't insulated when we moved in. In fact, there was no baffle when we moved in, and for about a year and a half I kept wondering how in the world were we getting insects inside the microwave. I couldn't figure it out until it dawned on me that there was no baffle. This would get really cold inside in the winter because there was no insulation and no baffle. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to remove some of this so I can disconnect the exhaust, and then there's just two screws. This should be hanging on a shelf in the back if it's installed properly. I don't know. Based on the way the rest of the kitchen was put together, I can only assume they went to the Helen Keller School of Carpentry. So I don't know if this is installed correctly. I'm going to bet that it's not and go from there. So two screws to get this down, and then that's really it. I don't have a hood right now. I'm looking at them. I'm waiting for a sale to happen. Hopefully maybe Labor Day, but we'll have to see. The first thing I'm going to do is take these doors off because life is hard enough as it is. Why don't we make it a little easy on ourselves? I've already unplugged the microwave, so that's good to go. And also another thing to keep in mind, if you're working on something like this and it's been here for a few years, it's going to be covered in grease. There's no way around that. Be mindful, it's going to get sticky, it's going to get messy up here. So if you need to wear gloves, wear gloves. Otherwise, just be mindful of that and wash your hands when you're done. Simple hygiene, right? Let's get this ducting removed. When I installed this, I did a really good job. So it's going to be a pain to remove. I did a really great job of taping this up, and it's going to be a real pain to get out of here. Yep. If memory serves, and it usually doesn't, there's only one screw holding this on. So if I can find that screw, I can get this out. Alright, it doesn't look like there's any screws. Memory does not serve. Now while I don't care about the microwave, I do care about my stovetop. So I don't want this to drop immediately. I am going to support this the best that I can as I remove these screws. Hey look, it was kind of installed correctly. Bugger. And there we have it. The microwave is down. There are two screws holding that bracket in barely, and they're on the bottom, so it was kind of installed correctly, but not great. We can see the old tile from the old kitchen. This house is almost 20 years old. I'm going to have to fix this now. Somehow. This is terrible. This is really, really bad. I don't know why they would have left this like this. This doesn't make any sense to me. Why would you do this to a homeowner? Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. This sheetrock is in terrible shape. Why would you do that to someone? And then cover it up with a poorly installed microwave. Why would you do that? So now I'm not super happy. There's a screw still left in a hole from the old microwave installation. There's a giant hole on the other side through the tile. I mean, this is not, that's not acceptable. What was supposed to be an easy job turned into a major headache now. Not only do I have to find a hood, but now I have to repair the damage of the previous installation and the original installation. I'm not super happy about this. I can't wait for the wife to come home and see this and the discussion that's going to ensue. This has been A Ginger Can. My name is Brian, and today we got rid of the old microwave and discovered a headache. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I do a lot of home improvement kind of things and cooking and canning, and I've got the boys. I try to keep it entertaining. I've got another video in the pipeline on cleaning my stovetop. I want to show that to you all because I've got a really neat product. It's going to save a lot of time and effort. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. Give me that thumbs up, give me that like, show YouTube that this video is worth something. And comment down below if you've been working on home improvement projects and come across something like this, where you kind of knew it was going to happen, but you didn't expect it to be like this. I'd love to hear other people's experiences. That's all I got for you on this video. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video.